Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see on the title, in today's video, I will show you how you can create a Payoneer account without actually having a bank account. So in order for you to be able to create a Payoneer account, you are required to have an actual bank account. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can bypass that and then do it later in the future, but you already have a Payoneer account. So if this is something that you would like to learn, continue watching this video and I'm going to show you how. Before I get into the video of today, my name is Winnie Shum, and on this channel, I make videos about how you can make money online, and I also talk about different business ideas. So if this is something that you're interested in, please do subscribe to my channel. As you can see, I have a lot of videos that I've made that I know that is going to help you to start making money online. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell. And if you like my videos, why not give it a thumbs up so that you can encourage me to make more videos. So this is Payoneer. This is the website. You just need to go to payoneer.com. So when you go to payoneer.com, you're going to see register. You just have to start registering an account. But before we get into the process, I just want to take you through the website to tell you very briefly what Payoneer is. Payoneer is simply a website that is going to help you to create a virtual bank account. So if you're living in one of the restricted countries or one of the countries that have been restricted by PayPal from withdrawing money, then Payoneer should be the answer to your problem. If you are making money online from Fiverr and different platforms, then you can use Payoneer as a means of withdrawing your money through PayPal. You create an account with Payoneer. They will give you a virtual bank account. You connect that virtual bank account to PayPal. And then when you withdraw the money to your Payoneer account, you can then withdraw the money wherever you are in the world. So that's what Payoneer is all about. So you can actually have accounts, European account, American account, and Great Britain account, which means that you can have bank accounts from these different continents. So they will help you create one. So I'm going to show you how you can create a Payoneer account, but not necessarily having an actual bank account. I just want to give a disclaimer that doing this doesn't mean that you will not need an actual bank account, because if you do not figure out how to get an actual bank account later on, then you will see that the money that you will be making will be going to somebody else's account or will just be going nowhere because it's not actually a bank account. So you need to look for a way to have an actual bank account and then connect it to your Payoneer account so that you can actually be receiving all the money that you'll be making online. So with that said, let's get into the video for me to show you how you can create a Payoneer account without an actual bank account. So to begin the process, we are just going to start here and click register. So once we click register, this screen is going to pop up and they are going to ask you some questions. So you just have to click freelancer. So they are going to ask you, do you want to get paid by international clients? You take this one, and then they're going to ask you, how much do you want to get paid? This is not necessary. Just choose less than 10,000, and they're going to show you this page. And then once this page uploads, you click register. So once you click register, it's going to ask you, do you want to register this account as an individual or company? Of course, you're registering it as an individual. So for the sake of this video, I am going to register this account from Cameroon. Cameroon is one of the countries that have been restricted by PayPal from withdrawing money. So if you're in Cameroon making money online, you will need a PayPal account. So the information I'm going to use here is showing that I'm from Cameroon. So the first thing, they ask you for your name. So you put in your name. And then you put in your last name. And then they ask you for your email address. So I'm just going to write an email address here. They're going to ask you to put in the email address again. And then they're going to ask you for your date of birth. So I've put in my date of birth, and then I'm just going to click register. So it's going to take you to the next step, which is now asking for your contact details. So here you're going to choose your country. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to choose Cameroon because that's where I'm registering this account from. So I'm going to choose Cameroon, and street number is just to put like where you live. So I'm just going to write where I live in Cameroon, and I'm just going to write the city and zip code. Zip code is necessary, but most places in Cameroon don't have zip code. So I'm just going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this is very important. They're going to ask you for your Cameroon number. You have to write a number that you have access to, your phone number, because if you don't do that, you will not be able to verify your account. The next step is they are going to ask to send a verification code to this number in order for you to continue. So I'm just going to write send code. So this is the code that I've received, and I'm going to click next. So now it has taken me to the next page, and on this page is going to ask me to now create an account, like your password and things like that. So this is the email. So you just need to create an account. So I'm just going to ask them to suggest a password. This is because when you click suggest a password, then Google will always give you this password, and you will be able to access your account. So you don't need to remember this password. So that's good. The next thing is the security question. So the questions here, you need to be able to know the answer in case in the future, if you want to sign in, they might ask you answers to one of these questions. So you really need to be sure that you know the answers to this question. So this one says, what town was your mother born in? So you can just write something that you remember in the future, and then that's fine. So the next thing is they're going to ask you for your ID card details. So you need to have your ID card ready. You need to have your ID card number ready. Are you using your ID card, driver's license, or passport? So in this case, I'll be using ID card. So I'm just going to write in the ID card number. So the next thing is for you to write in this number here into this box. So that was the number. And now this is the place where I want to show you how you can bypass putting in an actual bank account and do that in the future. Remember, I've mentioned that you have to have an actual bank account. If not, you will not be able to receive any money because you don't have an actual bank account. So I'm just going to show you how you can bypass this in order for you to just create this account, and then in the future you can put in a real bank account. So I'm just going to choose any bank in Cameroon. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose EcoBank. So EcoBank is the bank I've chosen, and this is the account name holder because it's your account. So they just know that, it should be your account. So in here, you need to put your account number. So you don't have an account number. So I'm just going to come here, search EcoBank account number, and this will pop up under images, and I'm just going to use any of these numbers to register. Remember, I've told you that you need to change this after your account has been activated. You need to change everything and put in an actual bank account. You can create this Payoneer account without having an actual bank account this way, and then later you can go get an actual bank account, and then you come back and put in the information that now belongs to you. So I'm just going to use this number here and put it in as my bank account. So this is the number that was showing here, and I've just put it in as my account number. I'm just using this to create the account, and then later I'm going to put in an actual bank account after creating one. The next thing they're asking for is SWIFT code. So in order for you to get the SWIFT code of EcoBank, you just need to come to Google and then you type SWIFT code EcoBank. So I'm sure it's this one. So you just copy this one, and then you come here and put it in as a Swift code. You see, it has accepted it. So the next thing is we are going to agree to the terms, and then you're going to agree to the pricing and fee, because they are going to charge you a fee when you withdraw money from Payoneer into your actual bank account. So you need to agree to these two things, and then after that you click submit. Okay, so now it says congratulations, you have created your Payoneer account. So if you get to your account, you can see that I've received 2 emails from Payoneer. So this one says that, dear Mohammed Bobgasanjo, so they say they review my account. But you can see here the next is telling me that I should verify my email. So what you need to do is to just click verify email, and it's going to take you back into Payoneer. So it says, thank you, you have successfully verified your email. So what we are going to do now is to go back and sign in. When you come back to sign, you just need to put your email or your password, and then you click sign in. So once you click sign in, it's going to take you to the next step of verification. It's going to ask you to verify your account. So what you need to do is to click turn on. Remember the phone number, and they're going to send you a code. So they are admitting that they have turned on your verification for the future, and that you should keep this code in a safe place. So this code is a code that you might need in the future. So you just click OK. So the next step is they are going to ask you to update security settings. So you take update now. So in order to complete it, they will send you another code and ask you to verify again. So what we are going to do here is to click done. So once you click done, you are set. So it says you are all set up, let's go. So now this is your Payoneer account. So you have been able to create a Payoneer account without necessarily having an actual bank account. This is the home. If you come here and click banks and cards, you can see here that this is the bank account you used to register this account, but this is not your account. So you can actually go now and create an actual bank account that belongs to you. Come here, replace it, and then you can start working with Payoneer. So this is how you can create a Payoneer account without having an actual bank account. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can link your Payoneer account with your PayPal account so you'll be able to withdraw money. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, so that you're going to keep yourself updated with everything that I'll be doing to teach you how you can make money online, and also how you can get that money wherever you are in the world. So if this video was helpful to you, please, why not give it a thumbs up? And if you have a question, put it in the comment section, and I'll make sure I reply you. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you won't miss out anytime I upload a video. You can see I have several videos that I've done showing you how to make money online. Please don't miss out. Subscribe so that you can keep yourself updated. Thank you for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time when I make another video. Thank you, and bye bye.